Good morning. Myself Dr. Ganesh Pachkore, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Vasantdada Patil College, Patan. Today we are going to study about the cell functions. This is the picture of cell. Cell parts and functions. The first part of the cell is the cell membrane. Function of the cell membrane is protect the cell, lets things in and out of the cell. It is first part of the cell. Then second cell organelle is the nucleus. It controls the center. It presents inside the cells near the centers. Nucleolus, it makes the ribosome. It is also present inside the nucleus. It is also called as heart of the cell because it is also called as all the metabolic activity is controlled by the nucleolus, hence it is called as heart of the cell. Then nuclear membrane. Function of that nuclear membrane is protect the nucleus, let things in out of nucleus pores. Its presence around the nucleus. This is the photographs. The another part of the cell is mitochondria. It is also called as powerhouse of the cell. It makes the energy and it is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Another important cell organelles, it is the Golgi complex. It is also called as Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus. It packages and secretes the waste. It is also present in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria. This is the photographs of Golgi apparatus. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is also important cell organelles of the cell. Function of that endoplasmic reticulum or ER is transport materials and sends the message to all parts of the cells. It is two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulums and rough endoplasmic reticulums. Location of that endoplasmic reticulum, it presents or attached from cell membrane to the nuclear membrane. This is also photograph of the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes. Function of that ribosomes makes the proteins. It is also present in cytoplasms or attached to the endoplasmic reticulums. Vacuoles. Function of vacuoles stores food and water. It is present in the cytoplasm. This is the photograph of vacuoles. Lysosomes. It is the very important part of the cell. It contains the hydrolytic digestive enzymes. It is also called as suicide bag. It destroys the bacteria, all cell parts. Its presence in the cytoplasms. Centrioles help the cell to divide. Location, it presents in the cytoplasm. This is photograph of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is the gel-like semi-solid nucleus or semi-solid transparent gel, or it is gel-like substances hold all organelles in cells and it is present in the cell. The chromatin or chromosomes, thread-like fiber material is also called as chromatin or chromosomes, contains the genetic information. It is present in the nucleus. Cilia, short hair-like projection used for movement, is present outside of cell. Flagella, long Fin-like tail-like structure is used for movement presents outsides of cell. This is the flagella structure. This one is also flagella photographs. Chloroplast traps the sun energy and makes the force. Presents in only plant cells. Cell wall protect and supports plant cells, prevents water loss, and it contains the cellulose. Presents out layers of plant cells. Skeleton. Function of that skeleton: support structure of cell and transport materials, organelles through the cell. The highway of the cell, made up of microtubules, thin halo cylinders, and microfilaments, that is called as thin solid cylinder, presents inside the cells. Thank you.